Our company has 26 years of experience in CNC metal machining equipment. To export Taiwan's machinery technology and expand the range of applications, we began to look at the 3D printer market. Our focus is now on the development of desktop machines. Most of the products we have released so far are desktop 3D printers as well. Desktop models offer more variety in the use of applications. Using the same desktop model but with different settings and materials, you can develop very different products. For example, the PLA and ABS plastic that we commonly use to print out objects that are relatively hard. By changing the material, desktop 3D printers can actually print more flexible results like this. This is a XYZ type 3D printer, and it is the single print head model. Due to our company's machinery background, we designed it as one-piece construction. There is also a 6mm thick aluminum alloy frame as reinforcement. A more solid structure results in better printing quality. The aluminum alloy frame is also more attractive. To enhance printing accuracy, where ordinary 3D printers use worm screws, this machine uses ball screws. This not only improves printing precision, but also enhances printing quality. For CNC machining to produce this female nude used to take a 5-axis machine. The 3D printer works differently from the old cutting method. A 3-axis machine can now produce this female nude. You can tell the quality of a 3D printer from how fine the grain of the finished product is. If you look at this female nude, the grain is very fine and it feels smooth to the touch. This is our machine's advantage. Our machine might not be the cheapest, but the precision and quality of print jobs is among the best in its class. This is a dual print head machine called the Beaver 3. The advantage of dual print heads is that it can print 2 colors or 2 materials at once, allowing for more possibilities in printing. The planet Earth I am holding, for example, was printed on the Beaver 3 because dual print heads can print 2 colors. For the sea, a blue material was used, and for land, a green material was used. As for dual material, take this black and green cube, for example. Assuming that the green color was printed using a soluble material, once it's printed, it can be dissolved in limonene. The green parts will melt away, leaving only the black parts. The result is a very unusual hollow shape. If you want to print unusual shapes or where the support material cannot be reached by hand, this machine becomes very handy. In addition, this machine has a steel frame. Many companies use a plastic or wooden shell. It may reduce cost, but long use will degrade print quality. Our machine's steel construction extends its precision and quality. The machine also features an upper cover and magnetic hatch. This is designed for ABS printing. ABS is sensitive to cold, so it needs to be heated and insulated during printing. The front hatch and upper cover helps with insulation. During ABS printing, this means better looking products, higher precision, and improved yield. This machine is our latest release and is called the Delta model. To improve the machine's looks, we gave it a more appealing and anodized finish. The Delta model is different from 3-axis machines in that it does not follow the 3 axes in its motion. This gives better results on angles and sharp points. When we use the Delta model to print this dinosaur head, for example, its teeth are more pointed and also looks better.
它的牙齿就会比较尖，会比较漂亮。
This machine does not just use guide blocks on their own. Instead, it uses linear rails and CNC machined guide blocks. The band is also an endless belt rather than a single band connected together. This offers better speed and precision during printing. There's also the dual weave carbon fiber linkage and professional latch design. This prevents it from coming off during printing and impacting on printing quality. A heating plate is also available as an option for the base plate. This machine can therefore print with PLA materials, but also add a heating plate for printing ABS. 3D printers must calibrate the platform level before printing. Where other machines use manual calibration, this machine has an auto-leveling system. Before printing, it auto-detects whether the platform is level and compensates automatically. If the platform is not level, printing precision is reduced and may lead to a failed print job. With this machine, you don't have to calibrate it manually. Users can therefore skip over this annoying part, making it easier to use.
所以会比较容易使用。其实我们
We have been developing 3D printers for nearly 2 years. We will continue to refine the design, make more improvements, and release more user-friendly models. Nearly 70% of our sales currently come from the domestic market and 30% from the foreign market. Existing export markets include Europe, Southeast Asia, and Asia. We were at a trade show in France just last week. In the Taiwan market, our customers include schools, businesses, general users, and families. A lot of people have heard of 3D printers and have seen 3D printers as well. Very few, however, know how to use a 3D printer. This means they need instruction when purchasing a machine. We chose to start in Taiwan because we want to teach the buyer how to use this machine. For foreign markets, we plan to sell our machines through dealers or distributors. After-sales service has always been very important to our company. We will push for dealers and distributors to provide proper after-sales service. Our company will continue to develop more materials as well. Apart from the ABS and PLA plastic now in common use, we will develop 3D printers that use metal as the printing material, as well as 3D printers that print pseudo wood or rubber materials.